Hi, I'm Alina with H33. Tokenization without quantum protection is a time bomb, and the fuse is already lit. Right now, trillions of dollars in real-world assets are being tokenized. Real estate, treasury bonds, private equity, carbon credits, all secured with classical cryptography, RSA, ECC, ECDSA. Every one of those signatures has a shelf life. When a sufficiently powerful quantum computer arrives, every classical signature can be forged. Every ownership record, every transfer authorization, every smart contract approval. And here's what makes it worse. Adversaries are harvesting encrypted blockchain transactions right now. Store today, decrypt tomorrow. The tokens you're minting this quarter are already being collected for future forgery. H33 signs every attestation with 3 post-quantum signature families, 3 independent mathematical hardness assumptions. The proof breaks only if lattice-based, hash-based, and structured lattice cryptography are all simultaneously broken. Your tokenized assets need to survive a legal challenge in 20 years. Classical signatures won't get you there. Post-quantum attestation will. H33.ai. Post-quantum institutional evidence infrastructure. Thanks for watching.